everyone. I'm going to teach you Gangnam style now. So going to teach the routine and then we'll do it with music. Okay? So we're all in a line. We'll get the people and where they're going to stand when we all meet. So basically what it is I think you've all seen the video how they sort of do this sort of movement. So all that is starting on our left foot, we're going to go 1, 2, 1 and 2, right, left, right and right. Okay, so it's just sort of just like a rocking, but then you're doing like a it's what they call a ball change in the beginning. So so again with your left foot, we're going to go left, right, left and left, right, left, right and right. So at the same time we're going to do left hand under the right and we're going to go 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so when you put them together it looks like 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And then after that we're still going to do this same format, but we're going to put our left hand up and right foot over our right hand across our chest. So start from the beginning with starting with this one. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And the hand up here. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And then repeat the first one. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And then the hand up. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. I promise you this is going to look fun and good when we're all doing it at the same time. So we did that once, repeat, and then it starts to go into the chorus. So what we're going to do is start on our left foot and we're going to go to the left of the stage, hands on the hips, and we're going to go kicking out the right foot. So it's like a gallop to the side, but we're kicking out the foot as we're going along to the left. We're only doing it 4 times. So basically we go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then slowly drag that foot in from there. So try that again. So from here, and left foot starts, and it's just like a flick, 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 and drag and stop. Then we're going to go do this one again 4 times. So we go 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Then we're going to repeat that, the flicking of the foot. So hands on the hips again and do the flick to the left. So we go 1, 2, 3 and 4, drag it in and stop. And this time we're going to go 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And there's like a little bump, 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 bump. Okay. And then after that, we step on our left foot and go to the left. So basically it looks like that. So we're actually going to be honest, I'm so tired I can't even talk. Right foot over the left foot, and then left foot down. So from here, we've just done that, we've just done this, bump, 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 and then we actually cross over with our right foot. So we go right, left, hands and down to there. So basically to there. Okay. So after doing this, we go 1, 2, 3 and 4 down, and we kick the sort of the leg out like this. So we go 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then stand up, 2, 3 and 4. And then we go again to the other side. So we go with the left foot, we cross it over, cross over, right foot, hands like sort of like together like that, and pop it on the left knee. So from here, go with the left foot, we're going to cross over the right. So it's 1, 2, hands together, and 3. Then 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then stand up straight. Okay. Then we just repeat that, hands on the hips, and do the 1, 2, 3, 4, slide to there. And then we do the 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Do it again. 2, 3, 4, slide. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it's only 4 times, and then we go bang, 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 bang. From there, and then it's just a matter of our right foot comes up like this to there, and then we go finish there, and that's pretty much all the steps. So from here, we just bring the foot up, hands up and down like that, and that's how it finishes. Okay, so from the top, we're going to go 2 of these, 3, 4, 3, 4, repeat 2, 3, 4, that. And then we're going to go into the 1, 2, 3, 4, slide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we do that again. 3, 4, slide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we go from there. We do that one. So let's just go from the very top in time, and then we can do it with the music. Okay, so we start off on the left foot, and we're going to go bop, 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 bop. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Arms up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Then we're going to go into that 1, 2, 3, 4, slide down, hands, foot again, 2, 3, 4, slide, and the hands up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. From there, we're going to cross our right foot over our left, so we're going to go 1, 2, 3 and 4, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Stand up. Then we're going to go with the left foot over our right foot. So we're going to go step, step, down and knee. 1, 2, 3, 4 and step up to there. And then that goes into the flick of the leg. So 1, 2, 3, 4, slide down, slide, slide, leg again. 1, 2, 3, 4, slide, and the hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, up and down. Okay, so we'll just try that with the music. And